balloon, again, you won't see this in real game. Saka wala naman tayo sa tunay na game. Pero kasi, it will help you improve your rhythm, your timing, your voice. Okay? So every time na tinatap mo yan, bibigyan ka niya ng iba't ibang timings while dribbling the ball. Okay? Pero ano muna natin, dahan-dahan or ipoprogress na lang natin depende kung paano ko makita yung pagkamit ng ball. Okay? Tara, let's pray first. Come on. Okay? Tap mo lang. Give mo lang ako 10 taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Light up lang ha. Control lang tayo. Light up lang. One, 6, 7, light up. 8, quick. 1, 2, go. 2, bend your knees. 3, nice one, drop. 1, good job. 2, good job. 3, 1, light. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, good job. 3, nice one. 4, good job. Nice one. This time, before you tap it, you're going to do hand exchange. So it's a challenge ko yung reaction mo and your hand speed. Okay, so di ba continuous pound ka? Once tinap ko sa'yo yung ball, yung balloon, cross over. Okay? Sige, let's see. Open face. Ready? Set. Yan. Good. Right. Stop. Uy, here. Good job. Go, keep dribbling. And slowly, huwag akong madali. Bend. Okay, so huwag mo lang siyang apakan. Okay, on purpose, left ka dun sa number 3 and 4. Okay, at the same time, we're going to do 2 ball, 3 ball. So, i-hit mo yung white and red. Okay, I don't want you to like this. Okay, so dapat may purpose tayo. So, white and red, consistent. Okay, give me 30 times. If i-regress natin, 30, 20, 10. Louder. Louder. Keep steady lang. Keep side. One, two, 23, 24, 25. Okay. Go back, pare. Let's go, sir.